The cabin air filter in your 2011-2015 Kia Sorento is crucial for clean air inside your vehicle. It's typically located behind the glove box. First, empty the glove box. Then, release the glove box stops by pressing inward on the sides. The glove box will lower, revealing the filter housing. Open the housing, usually secured by clips or screws. Note the airflow direction of the old filter, indicated by arrows. Then, carefully pull the old filter straight out. Vacuum any debris inside the housing before installing the new filter. Slide the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrows point in the correct direction, usually towards the cabin. Secure the filter compartment door, reattaching any clips or screws. Lift the glove box back into place, reinsert the stops, and close the glove box. Finally, test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow. Changing your filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or 12 to 18 months will improve air quality and HVAC performance. Remember to check aero indicators to prevent airflow issues.